Okay, hi. Today I will show you how to perform one of the NDT method, which is dye penetrant testing. The method that we use in this penetrant testing color contrast method. So all we need is the consumable, which is red dye. A developer from Mr. Chemi, and a red dye penetrant from Mr. Chemi also, and also special cleaner from Mr. Chemi. So the first step in this method is to do a pre-cleaning. The pre-cleaning should use we use the special cleaner from Mr. Chemi. The code is MR79. So we directly spray into the surface of the item. After that, we wipe with a cloth, lint-free cloth. For the next step, we do a visual inspection to confirm that if there doesn't have a surface contamination such as corrosion or oil grease. If there is no surface corrosion or other contamination such as water, oil or grease, we can move to the next step, which is applying a penetrant. Before we proceed to the visual, before we proceed to the penetrant, we need to do a visual inspection first to confirm if there such a possible have a possible indication such as undercut or uh, other defect that we can detect by visual. If there no relevant indication such as undercut or other defect that can seen by visual, so we can proceed to the next step, which is applying a penetrant lah. So the penetrant that we use Mr. Chemi also, code MR311 -R. So for this penetrant step, we need to use a brush because the procedure says so. So we just spray into a 1 cup. And then we apply the penetrant to the surface of the weldment. And also during we apply the penetrant to the surface, the penetrant should be covered also to the HAZ, which is 1 inches from the weld toe of the both side. After we applying the penetrant, we need to wait for the dwell time, which is 10 minutes to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes or 15 minutes for the penetrant dwell time, so we need to remove the excess penetrant. We use dry clothes first before we spray the cleaner to the clothes. So we just wipe off the excess penetrant. After using dry clothes, we need to clean the the excess of the penetrant using a special cleaner, but we cannot do a direct spraying because we afraid that the penetrant wash out from the defect. So the cleaning process need to do in a lint-free cloth. You just spray the cleaner to the solvent cleaner to the dry cloth, lint-free cloth until it a bit damp, and then we will just wipe off the excess penetrant. After the cleaning process, post cleaning process, so we need to ensure that the plate or the well specimen need to be cleaned properly, because we afraid that if there still has a penetrant that excess penetrant in the area, so we afraid that that will be false or non-relevant indication. So after that, we proceed to the next step, which is applying a developer. So the developer that we use is Master Chemi also, code MR70I. So for the developer, we need to shake the developer can from 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, we apply the developer not less than 6 inches from the surface of the well specimen. After applying the developer, we need to immediately do the interpretation to the surface that have been applied developer, because the developing time is around 10 to 30 minutes. So during the 10 minutes of the developing time, we need to immediately do the inspection. As you can see, after a few minutes of the developing time, we can see that there has a cracking on the area of the weldment, which is transverse crack. And also, we have been identified that at the end of the weldment, we got the 2 porosity. And if there has any other relevant indication, that we need to record it and put it into the report.